Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great standing stretch exercises. This is also great for seniors and also beginners. So let's start with our feet firmly on the ground, placing our hand on our tummy and just gently breathing in for 3 and holding that engagement, that core if you like. Taking our arm up and just go for a nice round circle with one arm. Just going one way, warming up the shoulder, holding in the core, and then let's go the other way as well. And coming down, and then one way with the other arm. Now you can do these morning or evening. Great one for the morning to really get stretching. And the other way as well. You can actually do some of these as well in a seated position if you wanted to. And relax. Let's just take our shoulders and just give them a nice gentle roll back. Incorporating the arms and then just set that into place. So now placing our hand onto the side of our knee and leg, we're just gently bending for a lovely stretch on the obliques here at the side. Just holding that and then coming back up and then coming back down again. Lovely stretch. Let's just do this another few times on each side. Coming down, making sure our tummy is engaged, coming back up, coming back down. And one last time on this side. And on the other side. Gently coming back up. Taking our legs slightly more apart, let's take our hand and just come to the side, gentle twist and a real big stretch, holding in the core, keeping our back nice and straight. Our shoulders should be fairly relaxed, nice and slow, real stretch. And let's do this 2 more times on each side. 1 and 2. And just give it a little shake out here. So now let's go and stretch the leg here. So just coming out and then just bending to the side, making sure our knee doesn't go over our toes. Nice and straight. Lovely stretch on the inner thigh here. Coming back up and then just tilting the foot to the other side slightly and then just stretching the other thigh. Again, you don't want your knees over your toes. Coming back up. And let's just do this another 2 more times on each side. And on the other side. And the other side. Holding in that core, in that engagement. And on the other side here. And gently come up. So let's work a bit on the calves here. So just lift up, stretch those calves on the tiptoes, also stretching out those toes. Coming down, coming back up again, stretching on the toes, nice and high. And let's just do this one last time. Lifting up, stretching the toes, and coming back down. So let's just do again another arm stretch. So coming out with our hands, so our palm facing forward, and just stretch back. Again, engaging the core. And then turning the palms outward, so all the way back. and gently coming down. And now let's take our hand, placing our palm forward, placing our thumb down and coming across the body, and placing our other hand, literally, you don't want to hold on to a joint, but either between the shoulder and the elbow, or the elbow and the hand, and just pull that to slightly. And come out of that gently. Again, hand forward, thumb down, across the body, and taking the other hand and just giving it a little gentle press, either between the elbow and the hand, or the shoulder and the hand. Coming out, taking the hands together, interlocking them and pushing it forward. Again, remembering to hold in that core and lift the arms all the way up. Lovely stretch, of full body stretch of the arms. And coming all the way along. Again, finishing off with a really lovely round circular motion with both arms all up. And then let's just go the other way as well, opposite direction. One last time. And then lastly, with our shoulders, just giving a few shoulder rolls backwards and then just setting into place. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content. Also comment down below if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you, or any yoga you would like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.